With dropshipping, you can make a lot of money, but someone ever told you or tried to mention this point that what expenses are there to start a dropshipping business and how much profit you can get after minimizing the advertisement cost and all. So in this video, I'm going to explain all of the things. Stay tuned, guys. Well, dropshipping is a great business model, but when it comes to starting out with no money, I think it's completely a myth because you cannot start dropshipping business without money. Yeah, I know that you guys are shocked completely, but you cannot make a single money without spending in dropshipping because drop to be buying a Shopify free trial or free month, then you're gonna be buying domain as well. There are some little expenses that you need to cover, and it can be covered with only money. As an entrepreneur, I have tried a lot of businesses in my past 2 years, and which was like related to e-commerce and offline business, retail, drop shipping, e-commerce stores, Amazon FBA, then freelancing, the thing you named it, I've started. Well, you need to have at least $500 to $1,000 with you to start a proper dropshipping business. You can even start with $500. You need to have at least $500 to $1,000 to start a proper dropshipping business, which will cover all the advertisements, influencer marketing, running digital ads, etc. and all. And it's a really amazing business model that you guys can start, especially like if you want to start dropshipping, you can start by today or even by now. But the things comes here, which is choosing a right trendy product, because if you guys do not choose a good product, eventually at the end you're gonna be at zero, at -0. But the thing is that if you have a good product, you're gonna get like 20 to 35% of profit, or even 50% of profit, depending upon the manufacturer that you have in China. Choosing a right product for dropshipping is the most important thing that you can do to your business, because if you don't have a right product, you're gonna fail. So instead, you need to start over and over again to build a new store and then try a product. And eventually, I always push young people and the people who are starting out in the dropshipping business to have a mentor who's gonna guide you through everything, through each and everything, through social media ads, dropshipping, selecting a product hunting, etc. And if you don't have a mentor, guys, please go and find a mentor, which is really important nowadays. Because at last, I would say that dropshipping is an amazing business that you can start, because it's for beginners who have a little bit amount of money with them, and I don't recommend for everyone, because you can start, it's a good source of money, because you do not have to left your job for dropshipping business. Guys, be in your senses, because if you're lifting your job and focusing on dropshipping, guys, focus, because when you are at 9 to 5, what you do after 5 does matter a lot, you know that. So the 9 to 5 will pay your bills. So afterward, you're gonna go focus on your dropshipping business. And guys, if it is paying more than your salary, leave it. Okay, I hope that you get my point, what I'm trying to say here. And just try, because dropshipping is something which is like, if you have a proper store, you can scale it to a proper brand. You don't need to drop ship the products from supplier, get the product from supplier and everything. Just go to the manufacturer, like to the Alibaba, like choose a great product, and then just ship it to your home and just have a proper inventory. And then you can do brand as well. Just convert that drop shipping store to a branded store, which is probably called like branded drop shipping, which is a good business. It's like a proper business. And then you can move to retail as well. So just create a retail store out of it, and you can scale a lot. So choosing a right product does matter a lot. I hope that you like my video. If you do, guys, subscribe, share it with your friends who want to start drop shipping, and see you in another absolutely amazing video. Thank you so much.